Hi guys, welcome back to the series where I'm going to give you a technical analysis every end of the week. So I'm going to cover US indexes, US stock, cryptocurrency and other popular assets as well, such as oil and gold. So that being said, I'm going to begin with Dow Jones Industrial Average. Well, there's no doubt how strong the bullish climbing is, right? It's still going in the good direction, in the very decent bullish trend. Dow Jones has also created a little supporting area around here on February 18th. The market's dropped and it's managed not to lose the support line over here, which is a good sign, very good sign. But one thing to consider though is the RSI indicator. As you can observe, it is reaching the overbought zone. The resistance line is also confirmed it as well. The red line that I just drew. Okay, yeah. So according to this information, Dow Jones can keeping its bullish trend, but the index will soon drop. But no need to be afraid. It just need to come down in order to keep the little wave patterns. My call on Dow Jones Industrial Average Index is to waiting for it to come down a little bit, maybe around like 31,000 maybe will be very good looking before going up yet again. The same thing also happened with the S&P 5000 and Nasdaq, since these three fellows are going together always. Speaking about Nasdaq, I have searched many tech stock and I found a very interesting graph patterns of AAPL, the Apple Inc. The reason why I'm interested in Apple is the support line. Yes, the support line. The RSI indicator is also confirmed as well. It has been reached the oversold area, in which means that probably it will be a turnaround here to keep the elite wave patterns. The reason why AAPL dropped tremendously around here is Warren Buffett. Yeah, since he's announced to public about his decisions on selling Apple stock, and the market has very well reacted. So yeah, the graph is very beautiful here. The resistance line, the supporting line is very obvious here. So on my call, I'm going to buy some Apple shares here because the graph is so beautiful. So the rebound is very certain. So yeah, my call on AAPL is buying. Yeah, very beautiful here. And yeah, I also found another good bullish looking stock here. It is BAC, Bank of America. What I like about BAC is how it jumped like this. So according to many stock historical graph, when the graph jump like this, it will keep going for a while. But thing to be considered here is the upcoming resistance line, in which has been created even before the panic sell. So yeah, my call on BAC here is neutral here, despite a very good looking jumping graph. But since the resistance line here is very near, around $35 before it will drop down again. I don't think that BAC will change to downtrend though. It will keep being an uptrend, but it just need to come down first due to the $35 resistance line. So yeah, two stock of Apple and BAC will be definitely in my watch list for the next week. Okay, we are moving to Bitcoin. We cannot just ignore it since there is a lot of promising and strong uptrend here. I mean, Bitcoin is over $54,000 here. OMG. Big congratulations to those who holding the BTC right now. Congratulations. I cannot really say how much it will go here since we cannot observe the elliott wave pattern here on day graph at all. Like, you cannot observe, it's just uptrend, bullish climbing, bullish candlestick, so we cannot really say anything here. Also, in our graph, where the price has totally destroyed the previous resistance line, I mean, oh my gosh, this is just madness. I saw some people on Twitter and also in the Clubhouse application speaking about this. They say that Bitcoin will be at the triple of its price by the next month. So yeah, we have to waiting and see. So yeah, my call on BTC here is waiting for it to make an obvious elliott wave pattern, so we can make profit out of it, more safety. But if you already have BTC, it is now depends on you guys of how much do you want to sell, since I really cannot say how much it will go, and I don't think that anybody will know how much it will go, like exactly, because it's break every elliott wave pattern. By the way, Ethereum is having the obvious pattern here, but it's already reached the resistance line. So my call on Ethereum here is to sell. The RSI indicator is also convincing you to sell as well. Or maybe the inference from BTC is so strong that it will break the resistance line too. I mean, who knows? But for safety, I recommend you to sell due to the indicator and the graph pattern. Speaking about the currency, USD is now on big decline. If you are trading euro to dollars, you might be very happy from trading, but if you are doing the opposite thing, the dollars to euro, you might have a little bit of a hard time here. So I recommend you to trade euro to dollars during this period. Here's my resistance line and supporting line. Yeah, right now my call is to buy, since it is already took off from the supporting line here, and the RSI indicator is also looking very good. So yeah, it is also a good idea to trade euro to US dollars in the next week. So we're moving on to gold. Gold here is on big decline as well. It is obvious, since the stock is going new high all the time, and yeah, the stock is now reaching the resistance line, right? Like I told you at the beginning of the video, and yeah, in the opposite things occur with gold. So gold is now reaching the supporting line here, and yeah, it's reaching around like 1780 here. Yeah, my call on gold here is, I think that it will definitely have a rebound here, since there is last candlestick is very chaotic, and it seems to have a very strong supporting line here, and people keep buying it at this point. RSI indicator is also indicate that this is in the oversold area, and yeah, it's convincing people to buy it. Yeah, so I think that my call on gold here is to buy. I have seen a lot of graph like this, and the second time when it's reached the support line, it's always go up, unless it haven't reached the support line like 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, then yeah, it's likely to go down. Not a bad choice to trade during the next week. We are moving on to the oil. We will be using US oil and Brent oil here. As you can see, the crude oil is now returning to pre coronavirus price here after a very strong bullish climbing without any legit support line here. Plus, if you switch to week graph here, you can spot the obvious reverse hammer in which has been created in this week. So what does it mean? It is mean that oil is now reaching the top of the mountain, the $60 peak where selling volumes can be clearly found. So yeah, there's no doubt that in the next week we will have a cheaper oil price here. The ISI is also confirm it as well. Same thing is also happening with Brent crude oil. If you are about to invest in oiling company, I strongly recommend you to wait first, waiting for it to be back to the support line first, and then consider to invest it again. The reverse hammer is very obvious, and yeah, it is almost certain that it will go down by the next candlestick. So yeah guys, that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope that you enjoy this video as much as I do it. If you think that I missed something, or what index or what asset should I add up, please let me know in the comment down below. Let's see how many predictions that I will be correct. So yeah, I see you all next week. So yeah, see you all. Thank you for watching.